In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off read receipts in Microsoft Teams. This easy and quick guide will ensure your privacy by keeping your read status hidden from others. Whether you're navigating Teams for work or personal use, turning off read receipts can give you a little more control over your digital interactions. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft Teams account. If you're not already logged in, open Microsoft Teams either in your web browser or through the desktop app. Enter your login credentials and access your main dashboard. Once you're in, look towards the right of your screen where you'll notice three horizontal dots, commonly known as the More Options or Ellipsis button. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. When the menu appears, search for and select the Settings option. This will open a new window or panel with various settings categories. Microsoft Teams organizes its settings to make finding particular features straightforward and efficient. Options will be displayed on the left-hand side in a list format. In this list, you should see an option labeled Privacy. Clicking on Privacy will take you to a section dedicated to your account privacy settings. Here, you'll have the ability to adjust how your account interacts with other users within Teams. Now, let's look for the setting that allows you to manage read receipts. Scroll through the Privacy section until you see the Read Receipts option. This feature is active by default, meaning others can see whether you've read their messages. To turn off read receipts, simply click on the slider next to the read receipts option. This will switch it from being blue, which indicates active, to grey, indicating that they are turned off. By adjusting this setting, you prevent others from being notified when you read their messages. It's a helpful way to manage your availability or your pace of communication, ensuring you respond on your own terms. Once you've made this change, you can navigate away from the settings page, as there's no need to manually save your changes. The new setting will automatically be applied across your Teams activities. Feel free to explore or customize other settings in Microsoft Teams to better suit your needs. And that's it, you've successfully turned off read receipts in Microsoft Teams. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process simple for you. If you found value in this tutorial, be sure to check out more of our content for additional tips and tricks on how to optimize your Teams experience. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have more peaceful and uninterrupted communication within Teams from now on.